Hello fan collectors. What I have here is a 42-inch Bahama ceiling fan. I found this at the Habitat store and bought it for about $15. Yeah, it's a little bitty fan. I remember when they used to sell these fans back at Payless Cashways. It's a small one. Okay, let me get it started off on high. It's a little wobbly, but it's still blowing some nice air. Medium. And here's low. I would say that you can use this as an outdoor fan, but knowing most people that had this type of fan in their front or backyard, the blades sag easily because they number cardboard. Here we're going in reverse right here. Let it go again. I remember seeing a couple of these types, but they were in white at a Church's Chicken here in Memphis. And I just happened to have one in antique brass. I mean, what I would look for is one that's in polished brass, same size. Low. And off. Hope you enjoy it.